Hi everyone, today we will see load balancing concept. Okay, load balancing concept. Okay, what is the actual load balancing concept means? See here, the use of load balancing concept, it is used to have a suitable cable profile. Okay, to choose a suitable cable profile, we go through the load balancing concept. Here it is possible to select a suitable cable profile, okay, in a pre-stressed member, or either it is a pre-tensioned or post-tensioned, such that the traverse component of the cable force balances the given type of external load. Okay, suppose this is your beam, okay, and suppose this is the concentric pre-stressing force. Okay, now this is a straight tendon. Okay, straight tendon. Okay, the resulting free body diagram will be, means the force will be acting along the line. Okay, suppose if you take cable profile of sharp angle, say the profile is like this. Okay, the resulting free body diagram, it will be like this. Okay, see here at this point, say this is L by 2. Due to this type of profile, the cable induce a concentric or a point load, or you can call it as a point load. Okay, if this is the profile condition, the cable will induce point load, okay, to counteract the stress in the member. Suppose your cable, it is in parabolic form. If it is parabolic, then the load induced will be, it will be of UDL. Okay, it will induce uniform distributed load. Okay, this is nothing but what we see in the load balancing concept. Okay, and if you draw, say if you take, I will call this one as A, B, C. Okay, if you take free body for this, okay, the first one will be same. Okay, this is your beam. Okay, these are your end supports. Okay, here we will have moments. Okay, moments due to live load and dead loads. Okay, and it is given by P multiplied by E. Okay, this is for A. For B, okay, for B, it will be a simply supported beam subjected to the concentric load or a point load. Okay, this will be L by 2. Okay, this will be your full span, that is L. For C, simply supported beam subjected to UDL. Okay, see the pre-stressing, it will be opposite to the pre-stressing force, just to counteract. Okay, as I said initially in the very first basic classes. Okay, and suppose if your cable profile is in trapezoidal form, okay, say it is like this. Okay, then your load distribution, it will be like this. Say this is quarter span, L by 4. Okay, this is, and center, it will be L by 2. Okay, see the concept of